Ebusian for ha Ghana 7TVGH, mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for don't call me, oh, don't call me. Don't call me, oh, don't call me. Ebusian for yes, Christmas and me to and deal Debbie. Wait there. Serious allegations be now in comfort diabetuja. Serious allegation. Anything. Yes, see, Papa be a friend no. Sam George. Sana Papa no ni Sam George. Sisa papa no oye minister ewo oman bi mu aye friend no Umofia na Umofia oman no first time I yet dey no na ye prophet Nanjagezi eye NDC for prophet enti sa kro aye friend no Umofia omo minister bi wo ho minister of communication na some minister no ni din no eye Sam George enye ni awonim no na yese sa Umofia no oman no omo card bi sa efre no Umofia card bi aye Umofia card na sa Umofia card no administration bi aban bi aye correct aban omo a brain child say obi bia wa Umofia mu bia no sa nipa no timinya identity card enti omo start here no ena mu yes our card ma obia free and nipa be over 18 million but over 22 million crofo mu na mu ti Umofia honum na mu nya mu card na some way somehow sa Umofia for koye omukoto aba omuto aba na mu pam sa aban no ese aban foforo na eba Umofia honum no sa aban no omu ba ye na mu say no card aye frɛ no Umofia card no ni edi print no asa ink no so asa enti wo pe card no say edi akoy bibi wo Umofia honum no untimi nya bi ese obi antwen na obi antwen no Umofia ho uni sa card a untimi bi bank account untimi nya hwi enti people were becoming desperate that bena cards no beba that bena ink no beba na that bena card ni ink beba ya na ena ma ene say minister bia wo Umofia ho no my friend Sam George minister no sana say card a friend no Umofia card no some minister office na pretty card no Umofia for na ka asemo say card no print wo minister friend Sam George office wo Umofia enti wo scan no una automiko na wonye bi enti card a abandada no omo achievement omo print ma over 20 million people for free no say kwen aban aba Umofia ho no no omo to man krofo ebusianfo mo amhwe na ye nyami na mekon. Let's go and watch the video. You will see say intro na metwa. I will see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere. Cheers. Ayɛka Ghana 7TVGH.
When se kwan na bia man say so ono so eton Ghana card no. Nti se ukọ Sam George office dia Ghana card na yesa ahwedi a yetwitwa ahyehye robam ni yeton. Woton a no warebi. Woton a no warebi. Nti se wonya sika se tam. No ka say Sam George within 11 months. No be every day bia utimi ton card ma akuma 20. Chale na 20 times 5 cry say. We yan 1 week is kaketwa. Enti banks ne say every day bia nipa 20 and the Ghana card ba say omba be account. And foreigners no so we say wunya bank account to Ghana there are a lot of things you can do. And they can use remittance to no more dia real sika. Warning say so mumpenimfo na ahwe wo ma de besi Empanimfo nso omo ayamo omo post no koko sika nkofo ne hwe no omo fi grassroots no. Yesu obi wo kra ofre na wonfa. Na no akra de video ba ko amehwe ba ko bi ayaye no se deputy brown minister o se MP o se de okobu Chinese ni bi otene ka mu anu no. Se Chinese fo na ese yensuo no nti akwa ne kobu na me say power so timi mani pa bodamo. Wo biti ne ka mu no kwa akobu no. Ada ya Chinese fo na am yensuo say. Utie NDC a onti ase utie o na uti kra ya because sankofo ni nya o adwene se ombeboa o man no what ye yo ombeboa o man kan ko no koko eniema bebre ekosoa udwene hu a ubusa se kuro no ekọ nanim ana eba nachi na strangely kuro na eba nachi no eba nachi with full speed o na nka kuro be kọ nanim no womu de womu ma articulator no atisane na eba se gbagbagbagbagbagbagbagbagba NDC ehun boto no mo de kura ahyem attorney general ba wa beja ne nkofo NPP for so oka so wo chi wo ma no koko everyday bia omo evidence yira ene chema untumi call court ya ansa anya evidence etimi busa che enim guase na ya omugu nipa o social media omudi omba social media court ebegu omonim ase no omuko gina the main court omuka se omuni evidence no ya no mpese omu kiresen no koko be kakra no enkofo eduabo na enkofo be buru omu because now language NDC tiase no ebe eduabo on show kakra Dr. Omane Bua Mane Sama de mo mu okofo diano. Ma hu se san kofo nsa ne ma no mo tiase. Won hu se de pandai bees ne kobu wo mu no. A mu dwane ye no. Ma hu se san ne ma no mo tiase. Enti be kakra no NDC ni kasa memfi no. Koye nyankoma de kaka bi. Ya vim na eno ano no. Se mu sava bandi wa hu se MPP for na kofa mali for ma ye juju. Enti wo mu ni se juju de mu odru. No mo ka se panda on agro no mudi o obi akoto aba wi ni obi over 3,000 wa be gina se wa twani nyinam si yankoto foforo na sebi NDC fo na bo judge fo me de judge no membu no na emom so ogidi se ni decision no no obehwe han si yankoto aba no foforo na ntokwasi a me ka no kura che se ntokwasi pandai sa judge no one ne ma omonfo mu ni ebetrako enti debia no meka se enye bibia na wodi knowledge ebeye eto debia fa wisdom ne common sense eto eya ade ubetima bu judgment nipa ne the 40 constituency 40 polling station naba they will control all the polling station because of what abro no gogo me de manusi no me pese me kase me die
any soldier for no move free Ghana has it and they call Jamaica. The question is who exactly is President John Dramani Mahama trying to please or please why a brand kofo a common a kunkofo youth now we juma nurses for a teacher for my juma for 11 months I want you muka 1 month who just anyama wenyi na at that time Ghana sika 10 million Ghana cedis and the comma Jamaica all in the name of what and then now President Mahama and then one cran or person police you know and that's our person deal we have so soon you know na say then me see nkofona and NDC for na ye can na mo so by papa no muka who say former president Nkrumah Nkrano niyama bebre na yesi wa ye nyina no echire no ede na Ghana for the year na asa na ofia konya no so ede na esi ye asa na otum ofia konya no so nti wo de muntu aso na you people should keep on hearing your full soldiers but the real reality na e wo form ha no umpese wo betie utumi tam Ghana sika ebra nkola ye ejuma nkofo ye ejuma okrom ha omuntua omuka ade ombedi kra edi mo udi yesika na esankoma amai foforo on what basis And now we see votarage now. Some move votarage for them. Muye they say President John Dramani Mahama Eddie project via ban. Some project no we are. Who crowd benyes car currency or honmu. Ejuma bena President Mahama Eddie Amamu we votarage ho. And now menu ka say ube so see sa dine we ube to menya ska akojibi. Nti wuna uye dede yeka yezo na oka yezano bisa ohun se dan na okran se oba besti minim se ontumi nsi because oye bi se gleme en na da bush hono se gleme odi $200 million. Munim what $200 million ebetuma ye ukroma munim sa scanner munim sa scanner munim ade a ebetuma ye ukroma ba debi President Mahama di yesika $200 million eko waste wo honum the same thing already Ghana sika $100 million eko waste wo honum se we see whole airport na sisi adani cemetery onu nkwa na okọ sisi ambe do ka say yesi farmers day no or rent private jet eko ho police for bi crack or cha video e wo honum ene amene ka say ya suspend sa police for no because see dent na Mahama bae no omuko video play no ba President John Dramani Mahama okuja to a black wana woni ne nam sisia no time na adoda nkwakufu ado woso no now sa akwa no sa friends and minister no okuja to a black wa to meet the president na adoda nkwakufu ado ni private ni plane ticket number baby akwa akoda address bibia any two internet so ene sa same person or minister of state today by na dia obi kocha video honum keke pese o kire ni busuafo say o President Mahama abaye na kana no private jet when o de baye a ene musimu yi san kofo nyina edi ene wo sa tam Ghana fosika e ko votarage honum because ye de adwen ye fe na adwen ebi ni ye tribune no wasa ba ha ebe dada say wo ba be ye wo ba be city amaye na city no bisa wo na wo votarage na ade ejuma be na wo be ya so otumi si sa dan na opeso wo si wie kra na mi si pram fo adanfo na o ka kire mo se obesi saglemema o no saglemeno still in the bush nti dwihu sa nipa we ntro nkwa na otwa ntro eno nkwa aguna cheba to aso da ngwe. Okay, Ode was here.
Oh, Emma NDC party.
Okay.
Yeah, Raymond, my mama can say we are.
NDC for wish, and no be making sure say obey your mom.
Right.
In the first place, they shouldn't entertain this stupidity cry at all in the first place.
Thank you.
Yeah, to a baby. Yeah, to a baby or the 7th year, your father say January year, but yes, your Mahama enough, pepe. The Pana better parliament, I hear Juma and Juma say. And yet then I feel I catch you say. Abano mkotu yeni mube muntu. What declare the seats in vacant? Yem sound kotu abano for that it makes sense. It doesn't make sense in any way because of say NDC and the doors. But I don't blame Abambabi because MPP for no I be shemu be no the better now. Yes, over the better now. It is a ne akwe say ya. Ye faso bono emoye ya ho. Na minim say we it has been a big lesson for MPP party. They will learn something from it. Now when they come back now, better say, dwene ye ashishe mo neme yi. It is always a question where abambabim. Sa stupidity and me man big fool. That is what I will say to him.
Yeah.
Why you just say, Kwasia mukasia pa. Just have a pan obe uso bebre. What was said the never kuna or nam or other sapunchile no or nam.
Sometimes you know, Pabakado onyum or kodo around him.
Obedani abua me say boni a wodi no run is it. So what run is be una na the people put no ojani permanent so. Boni bia eswa ketua Ebeba also ansa no akosha adaka minim. That's it.
Okay, Maestro.
Me that's Obama. Okay, yeah. They're the same question, Theodore.
At the first place, me, the new Bia or Habia or Becca say, I bagman, I am when Bia and and ask me why. NPP acting as in the year 2020 after election, 8 midday bagman ebetnaso. And what were you thinking? And mind you, I mean, however you may think,
Yeah,
bagman
but
is.
Raymond, you're fan from Tunchen. Yeah,
No,
there.
Mr.
Them
Chefio,
yeah.
I'm building something. Mr.
Okay, go
Chefio,
ahead. Go ahead.
The casa
mind
we
you,
didn't want to.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
mind you, Biden is in a political party and is your strongest opponent. And under no circumstance, me, Maestro, what if I have issue, regardless of how I have issue with NPP members, I would never vote for NDC person. I mean, if I'm to be in the parliament, because it means whilst the party is moving on a certain direction, you are moving the opposite. And mind you, he is, as he used his power to say in the other time, or say he have the third position in the country. It be beside a majority that say or your number. So he's telling you how powerful he is. So in a country where you are governing, and then you have the executive, but in parliament you are giving the key.
Raymond, Mama Chedma, acknowledge the presence of APT Yamoakwaba, MP's radio Yamoakwaba, on Chababa Wanodo, Medasi. You're Raymond Chedo.
Now, yeah, this out to me, no. And then in the opposition party,
Miss MPP Moakwaba.
And we have given them this opportunity, and today, I must say, absolute majority.
Mr. Maestro,
you should never think you have your interest at heart. He is there for his agenda. He's there for his party. He have the agenda. The more their party is in power, the more powerful he becomes. He knows when after this time, if MPP comes, there's no way he's going to stand any chance of becoming the speaker again. So he will do anything to bring you down. And you see, one most painful thing is, the more they are bringing you down, the more they are selling lies about you, the more they are gaining power and popularity over you. And Adubuahin in the court, the attorney general, themselves, their own witnesses are.
Raymond, Yababa, Meba a pedetre de obia waba so obia so yema na kwa ba pochota podomehen peace man na asante yemo bibia akwa odi for baby yemo bibia akwa Mary obia one tap podomen enti Raymond bufo wood mo akwa ba epede awuna mama nyina kire wodnya the same skin to epede wakade when it comes to NDC they don't care about legacy or nothing. All what they care is about their party. Maybe say obia yerebusa from so obia bakabi. Because na chabi mde enka ano de nka wai penye we sisi ano oloko enka mana de bi okade account wo ye constitution dem esanso de tu gode ogina ho oka de ano ye number 3 na yen leader or ye number hini nka electoral a wow history bibia de to a yebotumi aka no as obaye wo legacy in san de ho a ye reka na ye beka no na enka ifide nka yidi nka ode ehu the experience na owono na nkonyido odu that time you see was he stupid idiocy or what
Maestro
na mo nuanum nimbrem just 1 minute
okay yetie legacy kan legacy then legacy ade a waja anase abrabopa abrabo a wabo aja akirima anase ade a obeja ma akirima behweso aka ho asem. I want to ask at the first place, does the political party as a whole NDC have any legacy?
No.
What legacy would Ghana have, or does Ghana have about NDC? June 4th, atutrasem yeje nkofo stores ana. And I said, Nipa kunkuma jeje fu emu ye omo.
Moja shegu.
So, the NDC as a political party does not have any legacy to protect.
Right.
So how much more their leaders will have legacy to protect? So if you look at it, the young ones that they are trying to bring the face of the party now, who are lying, such as Atuforcing, telling us this, giving us all these ones. These people are people that recent time, they are the NDC that we thought they were bringing some kind of dicey or spices in the NDC to change the narrative that no, now we have people who can reason with the NDC to make. But
All
look
right,
at them.
Raymond.
So
But I say,
it is never going to be like that. So NDC, I'm telling you on my last word that submission man said, Bagman does not have any legacy to protect. He has been part of a team that does not have any legacy, and he himself does not have anything and will be protecting. And you know, I find a diano, baby, I'm the
but I say, yo, it was your first topic, my Kawasam, or your pandai, the rundown day in there, Nanka, 31st December, na electoral commission say, young call rerun. NDC, pada wade nrua na wade kogu oye parliament o pada wonfa koti condensa no mfa nrua kronka ka ho nrua bebre na wogu na pada wonsan so mfa ekronka ka ho enti wo for koni biado then ka ebe call rerun oye 31st wo pandai na MPP for the assembly call ye Supreme Court. The Supreme Court in there area before mbaba no na betena hampo na a ruling ni bay what say one suspend oye pandai rerun no. And MPP and the parties are supposed to come back. That is next year, 13th. Appear to Anna Ayɛka some never year made a count there. Enka Speaker Babin, Paradini Nakaho. Enka Anu Watcher, no yet nana. There were Ghana's parliament, no. Then you know you say. Ojim all the corners, Ojim BB or parliament or experience, and no crack home, yet show yen whatever constitution or Obia was or Cajon. And Carol shot them in your main, Nanka this particular a crampono. She shouldn't supposed to sit down, not on my orders there. One render pandai seat, vacant. Nanka order auction that only Nanka yes just all avenues were a court we are whatever the court will say no at the last round Nanka were rendered the seat by one them. Is it stupidity, idiocy? Nyansa do nyima na so there